Okay, I know you know what a duet is. You've seen people duet lip syncing, duetting a video, duetting another video itself. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own duet. To it, click on share right here, this icon. Once you click on it, come down to duet. Right here, you can see the icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you wait for it to process. It could take up to 5 minutes or to 10 minutes, depending how fast your internet is and the processing speed. So all you need to do is just wait. Okay, so right now we just wait for the video to load and everything to show. So right here, the first icon in the center shows us that we can split the screen into two. We can be one and the video we're duetting will be in the other line, the other side. So now you can have the video that we're duetting be in the center by clicking this other icon right here. Now one thing you don't want to forget is to put on the mic right here. Right now it's on, right now it's off. Don't forget to put it on. Then if you look at these four icons right here, the one on the left, now we'll put the video that we want to duet in the center. That means it will take the whole screen just like this. Then the one beside it, the second one, will split the screen into two, while the third one will make us be in the center, like we'll take the bigger side, but the video we're duetting will be on top, just like this. See right here. Then the fourth one will split the screen into two halves, which will be down, or the video we're duetting will be up or down, depending which way, sir. So we should click on it right now and you can see how it looks like. And one thing you need to take note, you can see I'm moving it around. It's just in a box, so you can only move it around in between that box. So you can see it right now. The fourth one split the screen into two halves. You can adjust the video if you want to. Then the second thing we need to do is look at the green screen. Yeah, the green screen, we can put a picture in our background if we don't want to show our background. Now these are other things we can do. Look at all the beautiful features we can add right here. Effects, if you want maybe our face to be big, different type of effects are right here. So just go ahead, have fun using this and creating beautiful videos. So I'm gonna go with the green screen. After clicking it, option to click a picture, which I have clicked on. So this is the picture I chose right here. Look at it, training Thursday. Now one thing you need to take note of is the icons at the side. You can flip the video, speed it up, use filter, beauty, time, and switch. On almost close to the last is the mic right there. So click on the red button to start playing, because you need to click on the red button. Now this is the time you start recording yourself along with the video that you are duetting. Maybe if you are reacting or you're just making a funny faces. I've seen many duets, seriously, but most times people just, you know, look, they don't say much. Sometimes people are just reacting to other people's comments in a duet. Sometimes some other people are just making faces. So depending on what you want to do, you can just go ahead, have some fun, get creative, get wild. Once you're done, you just need to wait a few minutes. Just wait a few minutes. Don't press anything. Then you can also press the red button. Now it's gone. Now what we are going to do next is click on next. But before we click on next down here, you can add a text if you want to, like a subtitle to your video. You can go ahead and do that. That's the first text on top. Once you click on it, you see you have this option here to start typing. You can use different colors of text that you want. Then you can change the format of the text by clicking classics, writer, comics. That's different fonts that you want. Then if you want a background or you don't want background, that's the A. That's what the A is for. This A right here, where the arrow is pointing at. Okay, so we are done. Click on next. So once we click on next, it's gonna take us to where we're going to put in our description. Description is the next part. Go ahead and click on next. Just wait a minute, wait for it to move to the second page. Here we are on the next page, and now we're ready to type in our description right here. So in the description, it's advisable to put in keywords related to what the video is about. So if it's about tech, maybe duet, or you're singing, just put something relevant to it that has the keyword that can also be searched for. Now after putting that, you can also add a video if you want to, linking another of your video to it. Now you can see right here, I've clicked on it. Now these are my videos, and I can go ahead and link one of these videos to the other one I'm just creating just by clicking on those round dots, and that is it. Now for you to do that, all you need to do is click on video right here. Once you click on video, it will take you to see the videos that other people have made, which is these ones right here. So what people have done. Then if I want to use my own, I'll go over to posted. Posted will show my own videos that I have created, so I can now link to it, link the old videos to the new one I'm creating. Now select cover. Cover is right here underneath your video. That's like a profile, a cover picture right there. You will see select cover. You go ahead and click on that, this appears. Now covers allowed you to write a text, and now this text you can make it a keyword so that it's something that when people are searching for a topic relevant to the video that you have made, your video has a chance of popping up right there. So I've clicked this one right here. Now I'm gonna write a text on it. So I'm just gonna put tech tips, because basically I'm duetting a video of a guy making like a little funny joke about programmers. So this is okay. I'm going to click on save up here. That's what you're going to click on to save it, and that's it. Now the next thing you can do is add some hashtag to it. So the hashtag you can add is maybe hashtag tech, hashtag tech talk, hashtag TikTok tips and stuff like that. You can add that to it. And also mention a friend if you want to, just by clicking mention and typing his TikTok username. Now let's go ahead and post this video to TikTok. Come down here and click on post. You can see that. So right now the video is going to be uploaded, so we just need to wait a couple of minutes for that to be done. Now most times when you're posting a video, you will see it being uploaded if you come over to this other icon. I'm going to show it to you right here. Over to friends, you can see your video being uploaded right there. You can see it up here. It's up here on the left hand side. Now it's 100%, so it doesn't need to wait, and that is it. So you can see now the video has been uploaded, and the person, the creator that created it, is also being linked back to. You can see the original video right here, and you can see the video I added to right here. So you can hashtag, everything is all here. So that is how you can create a duet. So go ahead, have fun, duet with other creators. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and follow for more videos like this.